Hello, my little star. Welcome in this virtual class. As we know that we have completed till chapter 4, and I hope that you have seen all the videos till chapter 4 and solved all the worksheet. So today we are going to start chapter 5, that is fun with MS Paint. This is the part 1 of chapter 5, in which we will learn about MS Paint. Starting of MS Paint, main components of Paint window. MS Paint. What is MS Paint? First, the question will be arise. Paint is a simple drawing program which comes with Windows operating system. Means this is a program, this is software that is already installed in your operating system. Whatever operating system you are using Windows 10, Windows 7, or Windows XP. This software is already installed in it. Now we will see starting of MS Paint. This is the icon of MS Paint. The picture is given on the screen. This is called the icon of MS Paint. Okay, so I'm showing you with the help of video how to start MS Paint. This is the desktop area, children. You can see what I'm going to do from the starting. I'm going to click on the start menu, then just scroll down and find out window accessories. Start menu, window accessories. You can see here, this is window accessories. I just click on it and find out paint. See the same icon, paint. Just click on it, and this is the front window of MS Paint. If your page look like this, you have to just click on the corner and drag and drop it to the full to make it full screen. Okay, I just drag it and it comes to the full screen. Now I'm closing it and showing you the another option. You can also search from the search bar, type MS Paint. Here just type MS and the option is here, paint. Just click on it and the same window appear. This is the process to start MS Paint. I hope you have understood. This is the two way to how to start MS Paint. Now once again, see what is the step to start MS Paint. For starting MS Paint, we have to follow just 3 steps. First, click on Start menu, then Window Accessories, then MS Paint. Means click on Start menu option, then find the Window Accessories option. After finding Window Accessory option, click on Window Accessory option and then find out MS Paint. MS Paint comes under Window Accessories. This is the icon pictures where a color palette is there and a brush. This is the icon of MS Paint. Now the components of MS Paint. If we are working on any software, we have to know about the components, what are the features, what are the advantages of the software, what it gets benefits to us, why we are using that. So I'm going to tell you about the components of MS Paint. This is just understanding what the features is on the MS Paint. Okay, so here is a page. You can see this is the page. The orange color is quick access toolbar. You have already seen in MS Word. Nothing new is here. Ribbon. Okay, ribbon is a collection of all the tools. Paint button. The blue box. See, this is new for you. The blue box is all called paint button. And the drawing color is written drawing area. Okay, I'm going to more illustrate it. See, that is quick access toolbar. Home view, these all called tabs. At the upper side where untitled paint is written, that is title bar. Then control buttons, that is minimize, maximize and close button. It is at the right hand side corner of your screen. Then working area, that is also called drawing area, that it is the white page of the window. Scroll bar, it comes at the right side and the bottom. Okay, this used to scroll down the page, to move the page up and down or to move the page left and right. Then status bar is actually showing what is the status of your page. Okay, how many pixels you are using, or what is the status of your working, in which page you are currently working. And this is resize handle. You have seen now, when I was open the first window, the white page is shorter, then I just drag and drop it. That is called resize handle. Now see this tools of using colors. You can see, children, these are the tools. It is on the ribbon. Okay, these tools are the collection of the ribbon. Just see. Now I'm going to tell you one by one about all the tools. The first one is select tool. Okay, it is used to select the drawing. Then see, pencil is written over there. This is used to draw. You write with your pencil. Now in your notebook you write with the help of your pencil. Same way, draw the drawing with the help of pencil. And at the last I'll show a beautiful drawing that is drawn by a pencil. Now see, a bucket is there. That is called fill with color tool. A is written next to the bucket. That is called text tool. At the same, come to the downward. Eraser is written there. The same, you use your eraser to erase your mistakes. In the same way we use eraser, just click on it and drag on the drawing area. You have to just click on the eraser and drag on the drawing. It will erase the drawing. Now that is a dropper, that is called eyedropper or color picker tool. This tool is used to pick the color from one side and keep it to the another side. Now see, paintbrush is there. Then magnifier glass. Okay, this magnifier glass is used to see the picture more deeper, as zoom in, zoom out. Then see at the right side, line tools. There are different tool shapes. Okay, line tool, curve tool, rectangle. One is polygon is written. Now again the same picture is here, but it is showing about the colors. Use of color tools. Fill with color, color picker tool. This is used to color the images. Then color 1 and color 2. This is the box. I want to tell you one thing about color 1 and color 2. Color 1 is a pencil color, means whatever color of a pencil you want to use, you just click on the color 1, click on the color palette and select a pencil. And about the color tool, it is the page of the color. If it is a drawing area is white color, means the color 2 will be white. Okay, suppose you want to erase something. Okay, you have taken a white page and written with the black pencil and erase it. Okay, it will be erased. But you have taken a black page and written with the white pencil. When you erase the white pencil, which color will be there? Black color. Means the color 2 will be black. Okay, color 2 is the color of the eraser. Color 1 is a color of a pencil and color 2 is a color of a eraser. Now see the color palette. This contains many colors, whatever color you want. Here few colors are there. If you want to take any other your favorite color, just click on edit color option. When you click on edit color option, it will open a more color option and you can select your color whatever you want. Remember, we have discussed about the brush. This is the brush tool. You can see different type of brushes over there. Now see, shapes in MS Paint. We have seen about the shapes also, different shapes. Line, curve, circle, rectangular. Here it is 4-point star. Different 5-point star, 6-point stars, arrow, callouts. In next video, we will see about the callouts also. These different tools used to draw the drawing. I'll also show you a beautiful drawing, a train, which used by this different tools. Now some beautiful images using all these tools. Now it's time to see that beautiful images that you can see and enjoy how you can make it with the help of MS Paint. The first image you can see with the help of pencils, circles, lines, different this beautiful image drawn. Now you can tell me what is this? This is cupcake. Okay. Now see the next image. Wow, such a beautiful image, such a colorful image. I know you can also do the drawing. A sun is here, a tortoise is here, a fish is here, water is here, rainbow is also here. It is beautiful now. Children, this image is drawn by the use of MS Paint, and you can see now this is the image. I'm telling about the shape. This image is drawn by only using shape tool. A train is here with the help of rectangles, circle, line, triangle. Now see this car. Using such simple tools, simple colors, you can draw such a beautiful image. I know now you also want to draw such beautiful cars, different type of bicycles, trains. No? Now see this. Wow. It is a scenery, okay? A sunset is there. Mountain is there. Only three colors are here. A black, yellow and orange. And see, with the help of only three colors, this image is made. Yes? You can also make. This is very easy, children. When you learn the MS Paint, now you can easily make this. See the next drawing? Apple is there. You have listened now? You have listened one thing now? One apple a day keeps a doctor away. But if you have such a beautiful apple, then never dogs will come to you. Yeah? Now see this beautiful drawing and tell me which shape it is used over there. Circle is there, line is here, circle is here, and this drawing is made by the yellow color, orange color, red, black. Yes? You can also make the drawing. Now tell me what is this? This is a butterfly. Yes? Okay, now I am showing you the next drawing. Now see the next drawing. Yes, only circles and different line tools. Yeah, isn't it nice? And you can see it is also saying something. Yeah. Now I am showing you a beautiful drawing that is made of only pencil and different colors. Pick a tool with the use of different colors and pencil. See, randomly you can sketch any line from any direction and just fill every direction with different color. You can also make such a beautiful drawing. Now children, it is interesting. Yes, it is. So if you will learn MS Paint, you can easily draw such type of drawing. Now this much is only for chapter 5 part 1. It's time to take a quick recap. In this lesson, in this part, we have learned about what is MS Paint. Okay, MS Paint is a predefined software that is already installed in operating system. Then starting of MS Paint, how to start, I have shown a video. Components of MS Paint, you can see there different components are there. Ribbon, drawing area, status bar, scroll bar, title bar, quick access toolbar, tabs are there, close button over there. So different components this is called. Then tools of using colors. In tools of using color, you have seen about the different tools and about the color tool, that is color picker tool. I'll show you in the next video what is the use of color picker tool. But still you just know what is color picker tool. Then fill with color tool, color palette and all. Then different brushes, there are different brushes, different sizes of brushes. Then shapes in MS Paint. After using this MS Paint, you have seen a beautiful images. This much is only for today. It's time to do the worksheet and we will meet soon with another part of the same chapter, Fun with MS Paint. Till then, stay safe, do the worksheet, see the video twice and thrice, and come early. We'll meet soon with the next chapter. Thank you. Bye-bye.